So, ayan na siya. Pagkulang na natin siya. Oh, look at that. Nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is I'm gonna roast this one, the New Zealand lamb leg bone. Yeah, kasi it's on sale. Sale siya ngayon. It's only $12.99 per kg. So, ayun. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mag-roast ako today. So, I'm gonna show you how I roast this lamb leg bone. So, after that, ito ang sauce natin. Ayan. Ang mint sauce for the lamb roast. At meron tayong beetroot slices. Bumibili na ako ng can. Masarap naman siya eh. So, this is not a sponsored video. We put everything here. So, let's get started. Hindi siya mahirap linisin yung tray. I put this. Put it in slow heat. Guys, kailangan din ng potato. Then guys, after an hour, lagay natin ang potato. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. na ang ating roasted lamb leg on bone. So yummy. So this is the way I roast the lamb. So put it on the side and then sliced beetroot and some veggies, and then the sauce is mint sauce. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching and learn how I roast the lamb. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Mwah, hugs to all. See ya.